Intel's have taken over the port. Ginji said the weaponsmith Hachiro has a forge here. Hope he's still alive.
Faster! No, what did you say? Everyone in the village is either dead or they fled. You have nothing to threaten me with. You don't need toes or ears or the skin on your thighs to work. So shut your mouth. I was sure I saw someone. I know you are there! Nothing is out here. Let's find them! Call out if you see something! I don't see anything here! I see her! Prepare to flee! Ondio! You don't scare me! Someone's here!
That's the last of them.
That must be Hachiro.
Please, set me free. Not to sound ungrateful, but who are you?
The person who killed all those Ninetails. Why were they here?
Sawyer Port has nothing but fish and my forge. And the Ninetails didn't come here for the damn fish.
They wanted you to make them weapons.
Sarigama. When I refused, they began killing my neighbors. I used to think them nosy. Went all the way to the Red Crane Inn for some peace and quiet. Now, I would do anything to hear their chatter.
Sometimes we don't know what we have until we lose it.
Thank you for avenging them. Please, take this as a token of gratitude. And if you're near the Red Crane Inn, don't be shy.
your kusarigama skill. I should get back to Master Enomoto and tell him of my progress.
Looks like I have you to thank for keeping me in business today.
Find anything good?
See for yourself.
I know you.
Fine choices, every one of them. I'll see you around.
You've returned, Atsu. How did you fare?
Master Enomoto. The Kusarigama artisan is safe, and I cleared out the Ninetails' den.
What did you find?
Prisoners. Your grandson had been rounding them up. Or worse.
So much hatred in his heart. I thought I could guide him. Now others suffer because of my failure.
He has to be stopped.
I know. A day I hoped would never come. And now it is here. We must prepare for the fight. There is a technique you must learn. Inspired by observing nature. Read the scrolls. Internalize their techniques.
You throw the chain forward.
As an owl swoops down on its prey.
Then pull the enemy towards you.
But only if you can break their stance. Then you follow with a devastating second strike.
It's deceptively simple.
And powerful. Yet, like the Kusarigama, this technique is more than it appears. You will find it taxes your spirit, like the storms of Teshio Ridge.
A powerful technique.
It is. If you can perfect it, you might even defeat a master. Try to take me down. Very good. You know how to wield it. If only my grandson wasn't the target.
If you can't deliver the blow, I can.
Thank you. To strike down my own daughter's child. My courage wavers.
How do we find him?
I have a plan. Come. Observe the forest.
A path.
Visible only if you know how to look for it.
A road just past the trees.
Yes, they block the view of the path. Convenient.
Looks like an old campfire.
Safe from the winds and prying eyes. All of this is perfect for moving something you wouldn't want to be seen.
The Ninetails come through here?
A smuggling route for prisoners.
We can use that. Set an ambush.
Precisely. My grandson will be forced into the open. We must prepare.
How do you want to do this?
I will act the part of a weary traveler, old and infirm. You hide nearby, and when the Ninetails approach...
I strike.
Do not... Start a fire, then hide yourself in those bushes. I used to go hunting with my grandson. We would cook the meat over a fire like this.
It's not your fault he turned to the Ninetails.
Perhaps. But it is my shame. Ah, fellow travelers. Keeping warm, I hope?
It's your rotten luck to be out here, old man.
Oh?
We can't have witnesses.
Now, Atsu! Something there?
Were any of them your grandson?
No. Remain vigilant.
Grandfather, is that really you?
You finally come off your mountain.
You gave me no choice. What would your mother say if she saw the man you have become?
She's dead. Her memory withered because you wouldn't train me.
There was too much hatred in you.
And this woman? She killed the kitsune. Is she any better?
My mother was murdered, but I don't take my anger out on innocent people.
You don't let them get in the way, either.
Do not let it come to this. Please. We are still family.
Whatever we were died with my mother. Kill them both!
Come on!
The kitsune sends his regards.
He doesn't have long.
You should have been at my side. I wanted so much more for you.
I know.
We all write our own stories. This is how yours must end.
Goodbye, grandfather.
Atsu,
I am sorry.
you struck a blow I never could. Small mercy that it is finally over.
I wish there had been another way.
For years, I imagined we would reconcile, but some fates cannot be denied, however cruel. Come, let's get out of this wind. I often tell my students the wounds they suffer in battle are merely a nuisance. Pain can be ignored. Keep fighting.
But not all wounds are physical.
Indeed, I now struggle with my own lesson. Yet the battle for Teshiorich is not over.
There are many in the Nine Tails like your grandson.
Their hate cannot be allowed to spread. With the Kitsune gone, you can bring peace to this land. Find their remaining hideouts and liberate any settlements they've captured.
I'll do what I can.
Though it may sound strange, the farmers here are hardy. You'd benefit to seek them out.
I am aware of Hana's talents.
She is a survivor. Before you go, I have one last thing to show you. When I refused to train my grandson, I gave up all hope of legacy. Until now.
Only the living can carry on someone's legacy.
You are not dead yet. Whatever they call you.
I don't have a future beyond the YOTEI 6.
Are you so sure? Observe. Its talons hold the first Kasarigama I ever trained with.
Must be special.
A powerful weapon for those who can wield it. When you are able to pull it from the talon's grasp, you will know you are ready. My Kasarigama will be yours.
I will try to be worthy of it. Stuck tight. 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 Stuck tight.
stranger. A word? You did good work here. We might have another job for you.
What kind of job?
One of our patrols went missing. We could use help finding them, if you're interested. Go to the camp across the road and speak to my commander.
Said he'd meet me at the northern Matsumai camp.
I would feel better.
You fought with us on the bridge. Lord Kitamori is with the commander.
I need you here. We already interrogated Madgor.
We didn't ask the right questions. Who knows the way into the Oni's castle?
Says who? That woman?
Ever since you arrived, you've not been yourself.
Wanderer.
Better equipment. Their numbers matter less.
What are you doing here?
I told her to come.
Against my orders.
Commander Wada, she stood with me, defending the bridge against the Oni raiders. She's an ally.
She is dangerous, as unpredictable and self-serving as a wild animal. She doesn't belong here.
Yes, she does. This way.
Careful, or you won't be Lord Kitamori anymore. Just plain old Jubei.
Results are what matters to the Matsumai. All will be forgiven when I deliver the Oni's head.
If you say so.
My scout returned with news of Madgoro. There was a fire at the mountaintop shrine. Its new priest is stranded at the summit.
And?
This so-called priest is rumored to be eccentric and missing a number of teeth.
Oh, Goro.
I hate to think what rites he's been performing for the kami.
Or the amount of offerings he's kept for himself.
Ugh, that would be low. Even for him. The shrine's not far. Let's take a look.
Did your scout know he was disobeying orders by looking into Madgoro?
Of course.
You have loyal friends.
Being part of a clan isn't just about honor or serving a lord. We watch out for each other.
You're risking a lot to help me.
You may not be Matsumai, but you are my clan, Hatsu.
You said you didn't want to know me.
Rash words, I regret. We are our father's twin wolves. No one can take that from us. The shrine is at the top of this mountain. The path is more rubble than stairs. Let's find another way up.
We can climb up from there. I'll give you a boost.
Remember when Father would have us climb that cliff near our home?
Said it would give us the strong back of a swordsmith.
He just wanted to tire us out, so we'd sleep through the night.
It worked.
them. Hear that?
Voices. Stay low.
We just need to wait it out. We can't have much food up there. Bounty hunters. The Oni must have heard Matt Goro was still alive.
Let's do this quick and quiet.
Be surprised if that crazy bastard burned the shrine with himself inside, just to spite us. Think of the Oni's reward.
Good sake makes all this better. Sake works.
That's the last of them. That Goro better still be at the summit.
Think positive, Atsu.
Scorched wood and black powder. Mad Goro's been making firebombs again.
Something to look forward to.
I'll find a way to the other side.
Atsu! The way you rush into things. It's like you have no regard for your own life.
I won't die until every member of the YOTEI 6 is in the ground.
There are things. People to live for beyond revenge.
Your turn, brother.
You know I can't climb that. Find me a more dignified path?
This way, my lord. path is blocked. Use a hand, my lord.
Because you asked nicely.
The shrine has seen better days.
The storms in Ishikari Plain take their toll.
I'm all right. Keep going. I'll find my way back to you.
Hurry! And be careful.
Oh, it's cold. Must be the winds coming from Teshio Ridge.
Up here!
I'm fine, Jubei. You worry too much.
And you too little. Atsu, I just want more for you than the life of an outsider.
I know.
Look! You can see the Oni's castle from here. Does the mainland have views like this?
I never took the time to look. I just kept moving, fighting.
Running.
No, Do you remember the stories Mother used to tell us about Ronryo? Ruthless spirits, wandering the land, driven by vengeance. Sometimes I feel like that is what I am.
A ghost among the living.
I'm glad you found home with the Matsumae. But I can't escape that night.
What the YOTEI 6 did to us. I just pretend it happened to someone else. That boy who couldn't save his parents. I buried him with my shame and became a samurai who could protect his family.
I never blamed you.
Nor I you.
We're near the summit. Let's find Mad Goro and finish this.
He better not run this time.
If he does, I'll break his legs to match his teeth.
I'll hold him down for you. Have you been back? To our home? What's it like?
When I'm there, I can hear Mother's shamisen. Smell Father's forge.
That's what I'm afraid of.
You can't stay away forever, Jubei.
Welcome, travelers. Come, purify yourselves.
Drop the act, Goro. We know it's you.
He may not be a real priest, but it is a real shrine.
Your mouth as well.
I'm going to kill him.
At least he's not running.
No, he's just stalling. Happy now?
Exceedingly.
Tell me how you escaped the Oni's castle.
First, We must honor the kami. Then all will be made clear. Let us hope Kagutsuchi honors us with his blessing.
How did you escape Castle Ishikari?
That is a long tale from a previous life.
It appears your past isn't done with you. More bounty hunters are on their way.
And we cannot dishonor this shrine with spilt blood.
He's hiding somewhere. Find him.
Maybe we should let them take you.
If I die, so do my secrets. But help me, and they are yours.
This is the last time.
Here, a gift from Kagutsuchi, the Kami of Fire.
The Oni raiders use this oil.
And now, so do you. Life is funny that way.
There's the map corner, I remember.
Wait for us, crazy bastard! It's her! The old madman and a ghost! This is job! People fire? I'm happy to oblige.
Is every bounty hunter in Ishikari playing after your head?
Head, toes, and everything in between!
There are more below!
What are you waiting for?
That was uncalled for.
Would you two be serious for once?
I'll end it now!
Kagutsuchi provides. I forgot something at the shrine. Could we...
No.
It was a joke.
There's nowhere left to run! The only has his musket! Can't we let bygones be bygones? Quick deaths! The only what's the
That's what happens when you attack a priest.
You're not a priest.
The harmony between you two. It's beautiful.
Come on. We're almost at the bottom.
Sadly, this is where we part ways.
Wait.
Oh, right. Our deal. Beneath Oni's castle is an abandoned mine that leads to the sea. You'll need a boat. There may be one hiding along the coast nearby.
Maybe.
It was there when I left it. Fair warning. The mine smells, it's dark, and you'll probably break your neck. Which is a shame, because it's rather lovely.
Goodbye, Goro.
You're not honor-bound to arrest me?
Not today. Though I suggest you find a new profession. One within the law.
And that you're qualified for.
Until we meet again.
He is exhausting.
But useful. Now we can sneak into the castle.
And kill the Oni. Together.
I'll find Goro's boat. Knowing him, it will need repairs. Meet me there when you're ready.
You wish to dye something? Take a look at these new designs. It is yours. I'll get back to my dyes.
To me! Let's go. Smells good. What's in the fire?
Salmon?
Of course.
Sit. Eat. We'll need our strength. Admit it, my salmon was better than yours.
Only because it was fresh. You're nervous.
Earlier today, I performed the same rituals I always do before a battle. Donned my armor, meditated, even wrote the death poem.
You and your poetry.
None of it helped. I still feel the Oni's grip around my neck.
Well, I'm no samurai, but I have my own ritual of sorts. I like to make a fire and breathe in the smoke and remember what it was like being pinned to that tree. And how I didn't die because I freed myself. That grip around your neck, it'll keep you alive. Let's go, before the storm hits. We should expect more guards this time.
I only hope the Oni didn't punish the Matsumai prisoners after our previous attempt.
He needs them to rebuild Saito's castle. Over there. We can use that rock to go ashore.
I don't see any mining equipment. We should have brought Goro with us to make sure he was telling the truth.
His information's been good so far.
So you trust him?
I didn't say that.
That's a long way up. Do you think the Oni has any idea there's a mine hidden beneath his feet?
If he did, he'd find a way to exploit it.
The amount of lumber and metal and blood he stripped from this land. I wonder if Ishikari Plain will ever recover.
It'll be scarred. But you'd be surprised what nature can overcome.
Meaning?
Our family ginkgo tree. It's sprouting leaves. An old campfire.
Goro's?
Seems likely. Look. Oni Raider oil.
And a torch. Nice of him to leave behind something useful. I'll light the way. Or you could slip.
I'm not so clumsy.
This place does have a smell to it.
Musty. Like wet clothes. Jubei, look there. We can crawl through. Just watch where you put that torch.
Come on. I can see an exit.
It's a tight squeeze.
Keep moving forward. You're almost there. Atsu, look. Support beams. I think we found the mine.
Dead miners. They've been here a while.
Looks like they were trapped in a cave-in. Through here! Veins of ore. I'll never forget the first time Father created steel from a hole in the ground. It was like magic.
In another life, I might have followed in his footsteps.
You still could.
It's too late for that.
You might not always have to be this, Onryo. Well, we now know where the smell's coming from.
Rotting bamboo. It won't hold our weight.
Over here. I'll boost you up. How did Mad Goro get through here?
Probably fell on his ass. Then his face. Or the other way around. I'll find you another way.
Careful, Atsu.
I think I see a weak point. If I break this, I can pull you up. Take my hand. You've been eating too much salmon.
It's muscle. Come on, this way. What do you think Father would say if you could see us now?
Of you, he'd be proud. But me, I'm not sure he'd understand.
Atsu, I know you see yourself as an Ongyo, and people talk of this ghost who killed the snake. Some of these rumors are true. But what I find most amazing is the girl I remember, my sister, is still in there.
Feel that breeze?
There must be an exit nearby. Fresh air. Finally.
This way.
What's the plan once we get inside the castle?
Jubei, I know you want to free the Matsumae, but if we get pinned down, the Oni could react.
They could help us.
We'll see once we're inside.
Thank you, Atsu.
Big jump ahead.
Almost at the castle.
Keep an eye out for guards.
You've been working them for days. I hate this already. I can't take the smell anymore. If the foreman comes down, I am not covering for you.
Building materials for repairing the castle's foundations.
We're close. Be ready.
Faster! These repairs are taking too long. The Oni is not pleased. then he can do the work himself. What did you say?
Nothing. He said nothing.
If you can talk, you are not working hard enough. You'll receive 10 lashes after your shifts. No, please. Now, 20. Back to work! Need all the supplies we can get. Whatever it takes.
What intruder!
You're the ones who went after the Oni.
I hope we didn't make things worse for you.
It was the first time we felt hope in months. The Oni raiders do everything they can to make us forget we are samurai.
But you haven't forgotten.
Never.
We're losing time.
She's right. Arm yourselves. For Clan Matsumai.
Clan Matsumai.
Jubei, help me with the door.
When these doors open, stay behind us. We will clear a path. The Oni raiders treated you worse than animals. Reclaim your honor with their blood.
Attack! Save me! Save me! I will take your Call for reinforcements! With us! Hey! The bounty hunter and a samurai dog!
We're almost there!
Don't fall behind!
We need to spread out. Keep them all at once. Pick up weapons as you find them.
Push!
Charge! Take their weapons!
Pushing forward! Don't let them reach the surface!
Death to the Oni raiders!
To the keep! Stay together!
courtyard is behind those doors. Jube, with me! Ready?
Pull! I'm here!
Should be in the keep.
Right behind you.
My lord! The other prisoners!
Go. They need you.
Come with me.
You are the samurai. I am something else. This is the way it should be.
We are our father's twin wolves.
No one can take that from us.
I was hoping you'd show your face, Kata. This time I'll hurt more than your pride.
That's for how you treated your prisoners.
I was a hero on the mainland.
You gutted my father.
He defied Lord Saito.
Then you tried to burn me alive.
Do you think I enjoy setting fire to children? I am a general, a war hero. I should be on a battlefield, not repairing this rotting and molding castle for someone else. But I must do as my lord commands.
The demon of Ishikari Plain, blaming everyone but himself. What would your men say if they could hear you now?
Draw your sword. Stay cool, you're an Unyo, but you are still that scared little girl. Your father deserved to die. He was disloyal.
He was loyal to his family. I remember.
I will pin you to that damn tree again and make your brother watch.
I remember.
I will pin you to that damn tree again and make your brother watch. Saito's greatest general.
They may call you Oni. You're just a bitter old man. I remember.
I will pin you to that damn tree again and make your brother watch.
I remember.
Pin you to that damn tree again and make your brother watch. I'm a hero! Lord Saito's greatest general!
They may call you Oni, but you're just a bitter old man! I remember.
I will pin you to that damn tree again and make your brother watch.
avenge my father!
He is a rotting corpse. Nothing will change that.
Reinforcements. We need to go. It's over.
For the Oni.
You'll continue the hunt. I need to report to Clan Matsumai High Command. But once that's done, will I find you at home?
If you want to.
I will do whatever it takes to bring our family peace. You are not alone, Atse.
Neither are you.
I'd better get back.
See you around, brother.
And so, the Oni and the Kitsune joined the snake among the dead.
How could one woman cause so much damage?
But haven't you heard? She isn't a woman. She's a vengeful ghost.
Peasants and their superstitions.
That night has come back to haunt us.
Stop being so dramatic. Clan Matsumai serves the Shogun. They are the enemy, not some dead girl with a grudge.
Yes, father.
As you command.
The Oni is gone, father. And your twin wolves are together again.
Monkey, right?
I'll reward if you fight with us. Get ready!
That is the last of the filth. You, a word. Your pay, as promised. Where did you learn how to fight so well?
By finishing battles for samurai like you.
A man with a shorter temper would arrest you for such a comment. But I cannot spare the time.
Or the men.
Indeed. We have lost many in this campaign against the Oni.
Then you should have made
I'm ready!
You dare challenge the Oni Raiders?
My blade can cut a ghost. I'll wager it can.
over here!
Please, help me!
It's over.
I owe you my life.
What did they want from you?
The wealth of Ishikari. Food, lumber, supplies. We used to be free living off the land.
The raiders want everything, even with their master dead.
They're still rebuilding that damn castle for Lord Saito. Someone should burn it to the ground.
You want that prize? Better start hunting.
would you like me to take a look at your armor?
Let's take a look.
Come back for tea sometime.
Come.